Yo, what is that? These are the K&F Concept ND and polarizer filter combination GoPro filters. They direct swap for your GoPro lens covers, lens caps, lens filters, whatever they're calling these things. What are they used for? An ND filter is like sunglasses for your camera. It will lower the amount of light passing through this filter and actually getting to the camera so that you can lower your exposure or lower your shutter speed or get the look that you want. And it gives you a lot more flexibility because there's not many options when it comes to a GoPro. Your lens and your aperture are locked, your ISO is pretty limited, and your shutter speed is usually just running way too fast and it doesn't look realistic or cinematic or good. So you use ND filters to get that shutter speed under control, get your highlights back under control, and get a better looking shot. There are 2 kits available on Amazon. They are Prime shipping eligible and they are both just under $60. The 2 kits are ND 8, 16, 32, and 64 combined with polarizers on all 4 of those. And the other kit is the ND 8, 16, and ND 32 and a non-neutral density, a clear circular polarizer. Links to both of those will be in the description down below. So now let's talk about what do you need a circular polarizer or a polarizing lens for? A polarizing lens lets you cut out the reflection of the sun from different angles, and that's why you can rotate your polarizing lens so that you can choose which angle or angles that you're going to be cutting the glare of the sun out from. Why would you use that? Well, to deepen and richen and add some contrast to the clouds, to be able to look through the glare of water or glass. Necessary if you're going to be shooting through automotive glass, that thick laminated stuff, highly reflective, gotta have a polarizer, and you're probably going to want an ND on top of that because you're going to be shooting outside. So this is perfect for that. You can also help make the green and the foliage look a lot more rich and dense because you're cutting that surface glare off of those slick and smooth leaves. You guys are probably wondering what I'm wearing. Well, this is in another video that will be linked. This is a necklace first person mount, and I've got an even crazier and borderline stupid but highly functional mouthpiece mount. Links for those 2 videos will also be in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it if you liked it. Leave a comment down below if you have any comments or questions. Subscribe to stay on top of all my new content, and y'all have a great day.